$15.99, $18.99, not much of a difference. Going online, just look at these two. You know how you take a microphone, plug it into the side of the camera, the receiver, because this is the transmitter, and what happens is you try to hit that on and off button, that gets in the way. Anyway, I'm here, and I wish I could get a DJI wireless mic 2, second generation. And that would take care of that problem with the button. I'm here to help you out. Nothing bad about this product. This is an awesome product here. A round wagon chandelier. 40-watt bulbs. These are 60 watts per. Nothing happened. They work just fine. I'm going to try to help you out if you're interested in one of these so you can see the issues that I have. Well, I have to go find the manual. I don't know what I did with it. Maybe it's in the box that I put away. Yeah, here it is. I got it. And let me just get close up to you so this way you can see what's happening. As we go through the instruction, it tells you exactly what to do. What happened to the rest of the instructions after 7? Can you follow along? I don't have my glasses on, but I don't see where it shows you how to hook it up to the top bracket. And that's where you need 2 people. Right up here. They don't show that. How are you going to put this up and wire it? Well, I'm about to take it down. I did my review. You unscrew this piece here. It drops the cover. I got my leads here. They're not connected. Double check it's out of the wire. I put this on here. You got to put this bracket on. And then you got to lift this all up and then do your wiring. They skip that step. And I hope you can understand that. You're going to have to lift this. It's not super heavy. But then you're going to have to try to twist this the best you can, or just simply unscrew the chain link. You don't have to have this on, but you'll figure it out when you get yours. You say, hey, Fish, man, how'd you do that? You did a good job presenting it. I know I had. And I'm trying to figure my wires out. I don't have my thing. And I'm snaking it through the top. I have all this leftover lead. And I'm snaking it through the top. And that was my hardest part. So I might as well just do one of these bad boys. I twist around with you. I got to drop this down. Well, am I tightening? Yeah, I do things backwards sometimes. Anyway, you know what I'm going to try to do? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Am I going left? No, I'm going righty. Follow my thumb. Righty's tighty, right? Righty drops it. Now, I'm not going to bother with that. I'm just simply going to take a, take a screw gun. I'm going to cheat. Drop my screw. I don't want to step on it. Done. Done just like that. Not like building. Building's fun. I got a main manufacturer coming at you soon. And let me get this bad boy up because I got to do a lot of building. I got a main manufacturer coming. And it's going to take this all out of here. And we're going to put it over there. And you're going to be happy when you see that bad boy, man. I'm going to be a star. Let me bring your attention down here because I got to take it apart. So yeah, I put this together one way. Now I'm going to take it off the opposite way. So this video, what if you're moving? how do you take down things when you're moving? Say you saved the box and everything, all right? And that's what this video is going to be about right now. Well, I got my bracket off. I got this piece here. I'm gonna just simply take my leads out. I'm gonna have to, like I said, unscrew this the best I can, all the way I can. Take my chain out and bring this thing away around. And then I'm gonna take this piece. I don't want to put that out anywhere yet. That slide through, I'm not sure how that slid through. We're going to get that piece back again, because it kind of makes sense to put this back on like this. That's the way it came. I'm missing one more piece, but I don't want to lose it, and it went all the way down here at the bottom. So slide the chain like so, and then screw that on, and that holds on to the piece right here, nice and tight. All this gets screwed down. There I go. Now I can put that away. Now this cap here is going to come off, and you're simply going to unscrew it. Now people don't think things come apart real easy, and they do. And they go together just as fast sometimes. Unscrew this bad boy. It's got this little cap here. Don't want to lose that. I don't know how that came off, because you got to take that off anyway. And you don't have to unscrew this, but it will come off. I don't think I screwed it on. It slid off, and in here you got a couple of wire nuts that you take off. You're going to separate your leads. And why you have to do that is because all those bars are going to come down. And then you could take the cap, you could almost put it back on. You could throw that little cover back on. Didn't have to slide it off all the way that far. But I did anyway. So I slide it back as far as I can go. And then all I got to do now is just take my leads out. Might as well pull them out now, each of the sides. This one come out already by itself. I got all four, just like that. I'm missing one right here. This one's a difficult one because it's not in my view. Put the cap back on, slide this wire back down, and then I got to run this all the way back on again. Run this all the way down, spin it, lock it up, and roll the cable. Put a tie wrap or something if you got one. Look at that. I'm going to hold it on there, make a little knot. There I go. And then each one of these, again, you got it. Come off. Just like that. Take this bar off. I got a couple more to do on this side. And this comes off just like so. I'm going to pack this up, and I'm going to put this in our other place. I don't want to bring it with me. I want to make sure that everything fits. I got one more to do, just like that. So sometimes lefty-loosey, righty-tighty works. Put that away. And then I got on the other end the same exact thing with the wiring. So the wiring can come out because that's what we did. Unscrew. That's it. Put this in the box. Do the same for these and these. I'm reaching all the way down the other end. Just unscrew the whole thing. Another 5 minutes I'll be done, because all I gotta do is just get a screwdriver and I'm finished. Oh, that went in the box. Didn't have to do anything on that one. Unscrew. Now I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4, people. It's on wide, horizon balance. And I wanted to put it on wide and get it off horizon balance. But you know what? It worked out anyway. Horizon balance, it uses the EIS and the stabilization, and it keeps everything locked in order. And you can't do wide because it'd be too much of the sensor. Now you're going to have to look not for these two screws, but the screws here and here. And what you want to do is take them out. And you want to do each one. Whoop, I dropped that bad boy. I knew that was going to drop, and I let it drop. Don't you want to do that? Just let them drop. And then all I do is just slide these, put the screws back in so I don't lose them. Or I could put them in the bag. I'd rather put them back in so I don't lose them. And just use the screwdriver and go like so. There you go. Put them all back in. So how do you like this build? This build was awesome, man. It's a nice product. They even make this in larger. It's a lot you can do with this. Now you just take this and put that in the box. You no longer need it. Find the next one. I can't see the hole. Can't see the hole. Am I getting the hole? Hard for me to see. There I go. Take this off. And I just finish this build up like so. You like watching me build? That's awesome. I don't need that piece. Put this back on here this way. Don't forget to put that one back on, Fish. Get it on there. Not that hard to put a screw in. Don't want to cross thread these things. I got one more to do here, so reverse the drill and do this last one. Get that out of the way. And I'll package that up off camera maybe. Again, I miss. I constantly miss. There I go. Look at that bad boy, man. Keep things organized. Keep them clean. Don't lose things. And when you're ready to reinstall it, at least you have it. Man, I just can't see that last screw. Problem is, this is not magnetized. Feel for the hole. Screw, done. Over here, you got these two little areas of interest. And that's how they get the wiring in there and do that. Well, those are meant to come off. That's the way they are. So you get to clean them, unscrew them if you want. So I got everything in its box, almost. So what I'm going to go do now is take them out of the box. I threw all the paper out. I love the paper, how we wrap these things up. I really do. Man, awesome. Okay, so however which way they go in, they all go in one direction. They get protected so they don't get scratched with paper. They fit into a nice box, as you can see. No marketing whatsoever. Everything's in there. Close up. How do I get that one to hold? Some people don't know how to do this. Slide it down and it holds. There you go. I hope I'm not on a tilted world, because you would think the camera will automatically straighten out when I got it on horizon balance. I got a lot of video on you there, Ernest. And I got a lot of video on you, Vern. I said Ernest. I hope you enjoyed the round wagon build video. And I hope you enjoyed what I said about the top insulation bracket that wasn't mentioned, that maybe would help you out in the future, that you do need to be careful to hold it, slide it through, lock into place. If you're having trouble doing it, you put up the bracket first, and then you get yourself a tie wrap, a hook, a rope, and you string it up there, tie it up there, so the weight's off of the chandelier, and then you work with your hands free. Work a little smart. I didn't say that in the video. I didn't show it in the video. I didn't mention it in this video, but at the very end, that's what they left out, showing you that you do need to have a little bit of common sense to build these things and read the instructions. And on that note, I know who I am, and I see you on many other videos to come. Man, where's this microphone? This is such a lightweight microphone. If you're interested in one of these mics and they no longer can be found at the Best Buy store at $11.99, they sold for $35, $39, $29 on sale, and now they're no longer available and discontinued, but can be found online at the full retail price. Does a nice job. It is battery on this, 30 minutes tops, and it's batteryless. No battery on that. Uses just the internal of the DJI Osmo Action 4. Well, I'm out of here. I'm not catching on many other videos to come.